How to use Old Navy promo code. Welcome to our channel and let's start with a video. Open up a browser and search for Old Navy promo code. In here you will find various websites dealing with the Old Navy promo code. You can go ahead and select any of the website that you like. For an example, I've selected this one. You will find various coupon options. And you can also enter email address and tap on Get Alert to never miss out any of the offer as well. Just tap on Show Coupon Code, then tap on Copy. To use it, for instance, you have to tap on Redeem at Old Navy. You'll be redirected to the official web page of Old Navy. You can sign in to your account. Then first step is to purchase an item off the web page. For the sake of this video, I'm going to shop a little as well. Select an item, select a size and tap on Checkout option. While you check out, you will find your order summary and at the bottom you will see promos. In here you can enter your promo code, then just tap on Apply. After that, all you have to do is simply check out. You can pay via PayPal or any other available payment method. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.